The first thing that we need for the demo is the Kubernetes cluster. And here you can see that I have start menu cube, and I can check. So you can see that the node is ready. It can receive any request now. So before going further, I want to show you all the components that I have created. So in apps, we have two directories. We have apps and Argo CD. In the apps directory, we have all the manifests for our Hello World application. So first of all, we have the deployment, and I'm using this Docker image, which is giving the host name and the address IP when it's deployed. And the service, I'm using the notepad to expose the deployment so that we can reach it. The next thing is the Argo CD application. So this is the key file here. I'm going to explain it. So the application, you need to specify the namespace of Argo CD, and then you need to specify the Git repository source. Basically, this is the source in which we are here right now, and we specify the path and the keyword here, customize. So we are using customize, Kubernetes customize, to apply the changes. And what customize does is it will look for the resources that we have written here, the deployment service, and apply them. This is the default endpoint of our Kubernetes cluster. And then we specify sync policy. And there are two policies that we have specified: the prune and self-heal. So let's apply this configuration. So first we need to create the Argo CD namespace. The namespace has been created. I want to change context so that it can be easy. We have to install first the Argo CD. So let's watch the port. It's creating. So now you can see that our Argo CD is running and ready. Let's create our first application. kubectl apply the application once, and then it will do the job. kubectl apply -f Argo CD hello file kubectl get on. Let's check the default namespace. So you see that my Hello World app is running and it's ready. See, that's great. So let's test our application. So with MinuQ IP, we will test the application. So before testing, we need to run minikube service so that we can get access to our Hello World app. This will start a tunnel for us. So we need to open the terminal. You can see here that our service is accessible. We can access it. This is Hello World app. We have our address IP. So I will not close the terminal. I will open the second terminal. So here, what we will be doing is we will make some changes in the deployment. Let's do it in the right way. So you can see that after we push to Git, the Argo CD was able to pick and it updated. We have now 3 replicas. What happens if I decide to do manual thing? Like I will do kubectl scale Hello World app. Replicas, let's say 2, right? If I do this, you see, even though I try to scale to 2, I still have 3. What happens if I try to scale to 5? You see that I cannot scale manually. Argo CD is preventing me to do. So that is for our demo. In this demo, we have talked about Argo CD. We have explained why we need Argo CD. And then we did a simple demo on how you can set up an application with Argo CD, and then we have tested updating from Git, and we can see that Argo CD was been able to pick up our changes. So the next demo, there are a couple of things that we will be adding. What we will be doing is adding ingress, and also we want to introduce HTTPS and set manager. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.